Hey fam, it's your girl Boss Wendy, and before we dive into the realest health truth you'll hear today, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping knowledge the food industry doesn't want you to know. Stay sharp, stay real. Now listen, every single day you're putting something into your body that's breaking you down from the inside out. And no, it's not sugar, fast food, or soda. It's something far more deceptive, something labeled healthy. It's industrial seed oils. Think canola, soybean, corn, sunflower, cottonseed, and grapeseed. These aren't natural fats. They're highly processed, chemically extracted, and biologically disruptive. They don't come from nature, they come from factories. These oils are made using extreme heat, chemical solvents like hexane, and then bleached and deodorized so you won't smell the rancid truth. The result? A toxic man-made fat that's snuck into almost every food in your pantry, even the ones labeled organic or heart-healthy. Your ancestors never touched this garbage. They used real fats, butter, lard, olive oil. And guess what? They didn't have half the chronic issues we do now. These modern oils are flooding your body with something it was never designed to process. And every bite chips away at your energy, your hormones, your skin, your brain, and your future. Let's talk about how these oils are actually made. These aren't oils you get from squeezing fruit or pressing olives. These are fake fats manufactured in labs. You take a tiny seed, something hard and inedible, and blast it with extreme heat, intense pressure, and chemical solvents like hexane, which is a gasoline byproduct. After all that, they bleach it to make it look clean and then deodorize it so you can't smell how rancid it is. The result is a lifeless, ultra-processed oil that looks pretty in a bottle but wreaks havoc in your body. These aren't just in fast food and junk snacks. They're hiding in your healthy granola bars, your almond milk, your salad dressings, even your hummus. You think you're eating clean? That vegan burger or oat creamer is likely full of industrial oil. The worst part, these companies know exactly what they're doing. They market this stuff as good for your heart, good for your weight, and good for the planet. Lies. All of it. This oil isn't food. It's profit in a bottle for them and poison on a plate for you. The more you eat, the worse your body feels, even if you don't realize it yet. But trust me, your cells know, your metabolism knows, your skin knows. Now, let's go deep into what happens once you consume these oils. Industrial seed oils are high in polyunsaturated fats, especially omega-6 fatty acids like linoleic acid. And yes, your body does need a little bit of omega-6, but today we're overdosing. Your ancestors had a healthy omega-6 to omega-3 ratio of about 1:1. Today, we're pushing 21 or even more. That massive imbalance creates chronic inflammation. Not the kind you can see like a bruise or swelling, but deep cellular level inflammation. This is the kind of silent fire that leads to heart disease, cancer, diabetes, arthritis, even depression. The body doesn't run on just good or bad fat, it runs on balanced fat. But these oils throw that balance into chaos. They don't nourish you, they inflame you, they mess with your cells and throw off your natural healing process. And the more you consume them, the more your body struggles. Your energy crashes, your immune system weakens, your hormones get thrown off. You can't lose weight, you feel foggy, you feel tired, you feel stuck, but now you know why. And the next time someone tells you that vegetable oil is healthy, you'll know the truth behind that label. And let's talk about cooking. When you heat these oils, especially for frying, you create oxidized fats. That means toxic byproducts like aldehydes and lipid peroxides are formed. These are no joke. They damage your DNA, destroy your cell membranes, and wreck your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses inside every single cell. Translation? You feel drained. You age faster, your metabolism slows, your immune system can't keep up. These oils also lower insulin sensitivity, setting you up for insulin resistance and eventually type 2 diabetes. But it doesn't stop there. They get stored in your body fat and stick around for months, even years. They accumulate in your brain and reproductive organs, where they interfere with mood, hormones, and fertility. This is bigger than bloating or breakouts. This is your body getting rewired from the inside, and not in a good way. You feel anxious, unmotivated, unstable, and it might not be just life. It might be what's cooking in your kitchen. But once you remove these oils, your body gets a chance to detox, heal, and finally come back online. Even your skin takes a hit. Seed oils promote the breakdown of collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for firm, glowing, youthful skin. That means more wrinkles, sagging, inflammation, and breakouts. You might be spending hundreds on skincare while unknowingly eating the very thing that's aging you faster. These oils are not just inside your cells. They're messing with how your body shows up to the world. And the sad truth, the food industry knows this, but they don't care because seed oils are cheap, cheaper than olive oil, cheaper than butter. They last forever on the shelf. They don't affect taste, so they slide under the radar. But your body knows, your body reacts every time. That's why more people than ever feel tired, foggy, and inflamed while eating foods that look healthy on the surface. But don't blame yourself. You've been misled. Now we're rewriting the script. It's time to stop playing victim to food marketing and start reclaiming your power. One label, one choice, one meal at a time. You don't need perfection, you need awareness. And with that awareness comes freedom. This is the start of your comeback. Let's break down where these oils are hiding. Answer: everywhere. Open any pantry in America and you'll find it. Salad dressings loaded, mayonnaise full of it, granola bars, hummus, almond butter, vegan snacks, plant-based milks. Yup, packed with sunflower, canola, or soybean oil. Even frozen healthy meals and protein shakes are drenched in them. And don't even get me started on restaurants, fast food chains, of course. But even fancy spots, you'd be shocked. Most of them cook everything, fries, chicken, stir fry, even vegetables, in cheap seed oils. They don't tell you because you don't taste it, but your body feels it. These oils are used not because they're safe, but because they're profitable. That's the game. It's not your fault. You've been marketed to, lied to. But now you know better. And when you know better, you do better. Your health starts with reading labels and asking questions. If the oil ain't clean, put it back. Simple. So how do you protect yourself? Start at home. Go through your pantry and toss out anything with these on the label: canola oil, soybean oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, corn oil, cottonseed oil, grapeseed oil, rice bran oil. These are the real enemies. Replace them with extra virgin olive oil for salads and low-heat cooking. Use coconut oil or avocado oil for medium heat. For frying or roasting, go traditional, grass-fed butter, ghee, or beef tallow. These fats are stable, rich in nutrients, and time-tested. They support brain function, hormone health, metabolism, and immunity. Your ancestors used them for a reason, and your body knows how to thrive on them. Cooking at home with real fats doesn't just taste better, it feels better. And the more you do it, the more your cravings fade, your energy returns, and your skin starts to glow. This is how you begin to heal, not through diet fats, but through truth, consistency, and real food. But it's not just about the oil swap. It's about upgrading your entire approach to food. Prioritize whole, unprocessed meals. Think pasture-raised eggs, wild-caught fish, grass-fed meats, leafy greens, root veggies, berries, and fermented foods. Make your own dressings. Bake your own treats. Get hands-on with your meals again. Food shouldn't come in a box. It should come from the earth. You don't have to become a gourmet chef. Just be intentional. When you cut out seed oils and nourish your body with real fats and real food, something magical happens. Your body recalibrates, inflammation goes down, your metabolism starts working again. You sleep better, think clearer, look healthier, feel stronger. It's not a miracle, it's biology. You're finally giving your body what it's been begging for. Fuel it recognizes, food it can use, energy that lasts. And here's the kicker, you'll feel it fast. We're not talking years. Within days or weeks, people report clearer skin, better energy, smoother digestion, sharper focus, improved mood. Your body wants to heal. It just needs you to stop hurting it unknowingly. Long term, you reduce your risk of chronic disease, you boost your immune system, you regain control of your health. This is your power, your responsibility, your opportunity. It's not about fear, it's about freedom. Freedom from fake food, fake science, and fake energy. You don't need another cleanse, you don't need another trendy diet. You need to come home to real food, to clean fats, to truth. And that starts right now. This is Boss Wendy, and this is your wake-up call. If you're tired of feeling tired, if you're ready to take your health seriously, hit that subscribe button, share this message, tell a friend. Because what's killing us isn't a lack of willpower, it's a lack of truth. You deserve better. Your body deserves better. And it's time to stop fueling your cells with poison and start eating like the royalty you are. Every bite is either medicine or poison. Now you know the difference. Make the switch, live clean, stay real, stay sharp, and never go back.